This be your boy Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind, and the other names. And this be matter come. What be the matter where you come? You know, say so many people where them day society inside they condemn extramarital sex. Where plenty people to where them day Africa to know. Then get some cultures be where you do you go do that thing you go be stoned to death. Some man be where the Bellam Mohammed Abu Bakar where he did Somalia. They go Kwatam, say either some brown wife, they what the bed where them stone them, where them bury them alive. That be the matter where you what it come. It can be said this Abu Bakar every day be the galley plus this woman where he did the neighborhood inside. Where plenty people where them did the area inside, me see say something they go on between the what the man and the woman. Well, number of times then they advise the woman and the man say if then they do something then for sure what then they do no. So one day they make sure say they go what then go tell them then see what they go on. Where they go see say the man then the woman they act inside where then they what then they fear themselves. You know be easy. That act in way they make them what come where the people where then the society inside make them come the what the place where them come catch them where then take them go a place where then that very big hole where you did there where them go put the man for what inside. Then put them for inside no brother man, it no be easy. Then that the one who made that one go deep. I go inside I know more near there. I'm not share where holding where they take sand cover your body. Then take the sand cover your body finish every brother hold in stone. You go see the pictures for the what the screen top. Then that no where the man Abu Bakar no talk say Obeso Okabibi. He get one thing where you go talk. Where Abu Bakar they can't talk, he talk say he be the what? He be the main family head where they the family inside where you do they feed the family members. It no be easy. Abu Bakar they cry where his son they plead them say they forgive him one more chance. You know go do that thing what again. Where the Adventist where he did a country inside talk say nah this behavior where people they show where people they express themselves for the country inside you know be good. So they what? If they can't condemn that act, when people where they kill Abu Bakar, they go what? They go face what? Judgment, and they also go what? Go spoil all those cultural practices where they go on for the what? The country inside. Make I talk you something. If you be man where you day, well right now, you know say right now, no, you like you be your own, like you reach a level where you do say you need a woman for there. If I don't do your man say, Ukofa obiyere. It be something where one religious leaders know where them day this what this top plenty people they condemn that act. People say when they go church, that people know they condemn that and say, oh be here pa there masana because it not be easy say some bro go what go gather money say they go marry some bro. It not be easy cry. Even cry the feeling where the person go get say if they go marry some bro, it not be easy say the person go get that feeling say if they go marry some bro. So if you young boy where you do you there massa if you know what if you not take your life play cha-cha. Even though if you the culture and the society no mind and things where you not take your pay go do then get some associate where they your top where you will not say God get what associate give them people no way then they do that thing because it not be easy because God now talk say man and woman go come for them and copy them a house. Then they can't join one flesh. And you know say he did the Christian Bible inside. When inside there the Muslim, the Quran inside the other books where people they read where they enlighten them. He did that inside. Right now who I can't go die you. You go die right now. The family members where then they depend on arm no brother man. Them all they go hung. Right now, if they no grow, they no get any person where they go look upon hammer. Right now, the person where he do what be the breadwinner no, where he left. Well, shout out to the Adventist where he did the country inside. Where it's not the talk say that act where they do, then they commit for the country inside. It be act where you know good. So he dey what? He dey make them shout that thing, you know. He try and say he turn up way he raise his voice for that thing. Because it no be easy. Every broad way he did this word inside the sin. The matter say you dey smoke where someone dey smoke, you dey do something where you be sin. He just be say it be different sin where you are we dey do what? We dey sin. So that means that guy know where he do that thing, or that woman know where he do that thing, God will richly what? Bless him. This be the matter where what? He come. If you go feel leave your comment, it be very, very, very what? Necessary. You leave your comment, everything be away you want to talk about him, everything be away you want to say about what it happened, or you go feel leave and pepe. And also you go feel follow us on all our social media what platform. It be too much what? GH. This be the matter way I don't want to talk to you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Prayer always what? Work. Pow!
Too much GH. We need to go to Japan. A break and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko son show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam, I say love you.
Too much GH. We boy wate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Me dey the Isaiah Kodwampo. We betumi afem the great tempo. Mbring. One man come when you hear Too Much GH. Too much GH. Too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.